Welcome back to Crypto Today, Everything Decentralized. Today we're going to be talking about Pundi X at FinTech World Forum 2019. If you want to catch daily crypto videos, daily Pundi X videos, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Now let's just jump right into it. The FinTech World Forum will be held at Kensington Conference and Events Center in London. It will be a two-day event held May 21st to May 22nd with over 25 speakers and 300 delegates. There, Pundi X's CEO, Sak Chia, will be speaking about the XPOS device, and it doesn't say, but I am pretty sure that the X phone may get covered as well. And as you can see right here, just from this page, you can see that Microsoft will be there, IBM, MasterCard, Oracle's going to be there, and so on, many more. And this just comes to show you that the scale of this conference is not necessarily something to be taken lightly, because a lot of eyes will be on this conference, and the fact that Pundi X will be at it is going to be great for the ecosystem, because they're going to get a lot of exposure just from this. And in this conference, they're actually going to be, in general, they're going to be talking about how blockchain can actually help better businesses and things like that, and basically the benefits that it can have for banks, for regular businesses, and so on and so on. Now, the main purpose of this video, besides the fact to show you that Pundi X will be there, is that I got several comments asking if I thought that when Function X comes out, if NPXS would be forgotten, and that's not the case, because as you can see, the CEO will be here talking about the XPOS, which runs on NPXS. So they're definitely pushing both projects, and they definitely want both projects to succeed. Now, one of the things that I've said before is that I believe they sometimes spread themselves too thin, just because they're working on the XPOS device, they're working on the X phone, they're working on bettering the NPXS and the Function X ecosystem, the X wallet, and so on and so on. But nonetheless, they have still showed us that they can that this is not too much. They can definitely handle the workload, and they're definitely doing it. And I just kind of want to to clarify that, because to this date, there's nothing indicating that NPXS will be left behind. Actually, Function X is actually going to better and benefit the NPXS ecosystem, because the token swap, which I'm pretty sure if you've seen some of my earlier videos, you might know this piece of information, but I just wanted to say it again, because the Function X is actually going to help NPXS, because every time that a person swaps their NPXS tokens for FX tokens, that NPXS that they swapped, regardless of how much it is going to be burned and actually taken off of the total supply of NPXS. And in my opinion, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but one of the things that really I feel like it's a roadblock and kind of affects the NPXS price today is the fact that the total supply is pretty big, and it's kind of like when you have so much of something, it kind of loses value just because there's way too much of it. And that's the case with NPXS. The total supply is actually a pretty big number, so it actually impacts price, especially now. However, in the future, we may see a bull run that's sparked up by utility and use case, which in that case, if Pundi X keeps doing well and more XPOS devices keep being delivered to stores, that means more people will be using it. So if the bull run is backed up by utility and use case, that means Pundi X will be kind of like one of the top ones, just because they will be being used. And with that being said, I don't think that at that point, if that specific thing happens, then I don't think market cap or maybe even total supply will even affect it too much, just because it'll be fueled by the use case of the product or the company or whatever it may be. But that pretty much just answers that. NPXS is definitely not being left behind. They're working to improve both ecosystems, and I think it's going to be amazing. And again, I'm going to keep you guys updated on this FinTech forum as more things come out. Of course, all things NPXS, Pundi X related. And if you guys have any suggestions, any comments, if you guys want to see specific content being covered in my next video, just leave all that in the comments below, and I'll make sure to get to it, and I'll bring that out for you guys. And again, if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys enjoy all my other videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, show some love, and stay around for a while. You're definitely going to learn new things. I'm going to learn new things from you guys as well, which is why I think creating a community like this is very beneficial for us, for me, for you guys, and for newcomers as well, because they can also learn from us. But anyways, that pretty much does it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.